Hey God, it's me, hella clean, you know?
Hey, what's up guys? We just here right now doing a little unboxing. A few stuff we got here for my IS250. So this is actually my first face-to-face video with you guys. I own a 2011 IS250 F Sport. Awesome car. So we just got some goodies in front of us. We're about to, do a little unboxing. Box we're gonna go for the big box first. So in this box, there's two boxes inside of the box. Okay. Inside of this box, oh man, this is massive. So we got some drill and slotted rotors, and this one says front driver side. So in the box is actually the same thing. These bad boys. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Alright, so this is the front as well. Okay. So more than likely there's two boxes, so we already know we got drill and slotted at the bottom as well for the rest. So we actually get all four. Alright, so that's one out of the way. We also have brakes pad for our IS as well. We got front and we got rear. And it's actually Z17 ceramic pads for the IS250. Awesome brakes. Used it in the past. Okay. The next thing we have here, it's some K&N oil filter. Guys, and just so you know, this wasn't sponsored. I just like the product. Also, we have some high flow air filter from K&N also, washable. So it's an awesome product. All right. What next? We should open this package. Okay. Oh. So here we have some, not really car, but something for my R6 Yamaha bike. It's bike stuff. Probably do a next vlog on this. So, alright, what's next? Here we have something from post office. Let's see what's in here. Okay. So here we have some ball joints. We have some ball joints for the front, driver and passenger side. So it's really a camber kit. So as you can see here, from Goodspeed, we order some rare camber bars. So which is these bad boys. Let's take out one so you can see. So this is what they look like. Comes with the ball joint already attached. So these is for the rear. And these little ones here is actually for the front. Okay. Let's see what's in this guy. So this is actually my front camber. So this is going to be for my camber kit. So what's going to happen is it's actually adjustable. So these you're gonna put like so, and then you can camber it as much as you want to the front. So these gonna go on and bolt on, so you could at least adjust slide between, you know, the space you have to work with, and you get a more camber, or if you want to just straight up stance. So these is great. That's a big upgrade. Okay. These were actually some LED lights. I had ordered some YAMAHA LED lights for my R6. It's really indicator lights, kind of blackout. Can't wait to get these on. What we have again? This little guy. This little guy. Oh, okay. I know what this is. So these little caps that we have in our hand here, it's 4 cap. It's actually for my rims, you know, for the wheels. I'm gonna be doing a little customizing it a little bit. So I had ordered some new caps to do some customization. So it's just 4 plain caps. Probably I'll put the specs in the description. What do we have here? Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this. So those are actually for my coil overs. It's the key for the coil overs. So it looks something like this. All right, so you have 4. You only need 2 really. So you have a big, and then you have a small. So you know you clamp one at the bottom and one at the top to loosen, or you know, tighten, as we say, go up or go down on your coilovers. So we actually have 4 in those. You know, price wasn't bad off of eBay. So this is basically what this is. Okay. Next we got just a bike cover for my R6. Yeah. We don't need to open this, so everybody already know what a bike cover is. Look like same thing like a car cover. All right. And here, okay. So this here I've been waiting on. I didn't thought I was going to get this so soon, but it came. All the other parts don't mean nothing as what this is my okay, let me show you. So this is for my bike. This is for my bike. I just want to do a little, you know, just a little touch to it. Give it a nice little finesse. Yeah. So this is what she's gonna look like to the front. That's nice. Changeable color. Oh my god. I know. And the inside is just straight up black. So this is just, you know, a little extra, but I like it. For the color scheme I'm going for, this is gonna work perfect for my bike. And you know, the quality look great too. Bought this off Amazon. Probably gonna put the link in the description. But this feels good. It feels good. All right, so what else we got? Oh, so these is really for my gauge. So when I originally got the bike, there was a crack somewhere up here. It still works because it's just the outer skin, but there was a crack. I just didn't like it, so I ordered these off of Amazon. I think I got those for, I think it was like about $15. So I would just swap the unit into these, and put it back on, and that's it. For $15 off of Amazon. This is not bad. Yeah, this is not bad, and the quality actually feels good too. Next thing we have is I had ordered some wheel spacers. That, you know, there's 2 in this packet. I'm not sure if we're going to use them because I just received those. So those is like half inch. So it's two in here. They just put them together and lock them in. So it's 2 half-inch spacers for the rear. I need to put half-inch spacers to bring out my back a little bit, so you know you get that broader effect. Yeah, so far the quality feels good. I got this actually off of Amazon as well. I think we paid about $30 for the pair. I think $30 or $40. Can't remember. Yeah, but feels good. So I don't know. Maybe I might be selling those because I had ordered the wrong thing, but I don't know. Okay. The next thing is I had already opened this because I wanted to see. To be honest, with this piece, seeing it in picture, it looked much cleaner than this. Like, it was much cleaner than this. I was a little bit disappointed when I see the finished product. I don't know how I feel about it because I just feel like, you know, what I saw on picture is totally different from what I have in my hand now. So I don't know, but let's hope it works. It does its things. Actually, the Y pipe for my bike. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a little modification to the exhaust system. So this is just one piece coming from the header down to, and you already have the O2 sensor to plug back in. So let's see. Hope it doesn't work. I'm not too stoked about it, but yeah. Oh, I think I paid probably like $150 for this product. Next we have here, it's actually Bluetooth system for the bike. I'm not gonna open it because I don't really know much about that. My boy gonna actually be doing the installation on this. There's a lot of little pieces in the box, so you could actually ride. And answer your phone and talk, and the ratings on this is super dope. So you can ride and, you know, you talk to your buddies while you're riding. So this I was kind of excited to get because I always figure, like, you know, you're riding and you can stop, you know, to really answer your phone. Just one click a button, you talk, no interference, nothing. So the reviews on this was great. So I'm kind of stoked to get this set up when I do. Okay. What else? I think so far this is just about it all. These is just, you know, the clips for the brakes, the ceramic brakes. The little clips as well, so yeah, we can't lose these. And so far, I think that's it. The rest is like little ins and bits, but so can't wait to put these on. And yeah, should be fun. I'm gonna take you all on that journey with me. We're gonna do this together. All right, peace out.